Look around you, what do you see? Chances are you're bathed in a sea of color. From the azure sky to the emerald leaves, color is the universe's way of grabbing our attention. But it's more than just a visual feast. Colors whisper to us, evoking emotions, shaping our thoughts and even influencing our decisions. We often underestimate the power of color. We think of it as decoration, a superficial element of our world. But color is a language, ancient and profound, spoken by every culture and understood by every human heart. It's a language that bypasses logic and speaks directly to our subconscious. Think about it. A vibrant red gets your pulse racing. A serene blue calms your mind. A sunny yellow lifts your spirits. These aren't just random reactions, they're deeply ingrained responses hardwired into our brains over millennia of evolution. Think about a stop sign. That vivid red instantly grabs your attention, signaling danger and demanding a halt. This isn't coincidence, it's color psychology at work. Red, the color of fire and blood, is associated with energy and excitement. Now picture a calm, clear sky. The soothing blue evokes feelings of peace and tranquility. Blue, often linked with water, has a calming effect on our minds. These emotional associations are deeply ingrained. We see them reflected in our language and cultural traditions. Red is for celebrations and warnings, blue for trust and stability. By understanding these color associations, we can utilize them to our advantage. To understand how color shapes our perceptions, we need to delve into the science behind it. Color is the brain's interpretation of light waves. Sunlight appears white but contains all the colors of the rainbow. When light hits an object, some wavelengths are absorbed, others are reflected. Reflected wavelengths reach our eyes, where cones interpret them as colors. Evolutionarily, distinguishing ripe fruit from foliage was crucial for survival. Color perception is influenced by biology, culture, and personal experiences. One fascinating demonstration of how deeply ingrained color associations are in our brains is the Stroop effect. This classic psychological test highlights the conflict that arises when we see a word written in a color that contradicts its meaning. Imagine the word green written in red ink and the word red written in green ink. Now try to quickly name the color of the ink, ignoring the word itself. You'll likely find yourself hesitating, stumbling over the words, and making errors. Why does this happen? Because our brains automatically process the meaning of the word before we even register the color of the ink. This interference from the word's meaning slows down our reaction time and increases the likelihood of making mistakes. The Stroop effect demonstrates that color and language are deeply intertwined in our brains. It also highlights the power of automatic processing, where our brains make lightning-fast associations without conscious effort. This automatic processing is essential for navigating the world around us, but it can also lead to fascinating cognitive quirks like the Stroop effect. Section 5. Primed for action. How color subtly guides our choices. Have you ever noticed how certain colors seem to nudge you in a particular direction? That's not your imagination. Color priming, a fascinating area of research in psychology, explores how exposure to specific colors can unconsciously influence our behavior. In one study, participants were shown a series of words flashed on a computer screen. Before each word appeared, the screen was briefly illuminated with either red or blue. The participants were then asked to complete a simple task: press a button to categorize each word as either positive or negative. The results were intriguing. Participants exposed to red were quicker to identify negative words, while those primed with blue were faster at recognizing positive words. This suggests that even brief exposure to color can unconsciously shape our emotional responses and influence our judgments. Color priming has implications for everything from marketing and advertising to interior design and even our personal wardrobes. By understanding the subtle ways in which color can influence our choices, we can make more informed decisions about the environments we create and the messages we send. Section 6. The double staircase illusion: color's influence on perception. Color's influence extends beyond emotions and behaviors. It can even alter our perception of the physical world. The double staircase illusion is a captivating example of how color can trick our brains into seeing things that aren't quite there. Imagine two identical staircases, one painted in light shades and the other in dark hues. When placed side by side, the staircase with the darker colors will appear to recede further into the distance while the lighter one seems closer. This illusion arises from our brain's interpretation of light and shadow. we instinctively perceive darker colors as being further away, a phenomenon known as aerial perspective. This perceptual shortcut helps us judge distance and navigate our three-dimensional world. The double staircase illusion highlights how deeply ingrained these visual cues are in our brains. It also demonstrates how easily our perception can be manipulated by clever use of color and shading. Section 7. Beyond the rainbow: cultural nuances in color perception. While certain color associations like red for danger and blue for calmness seem fairly universal, it's crucial to remember that color perception is also shaped by cultural and societal influences. The meanings we ascribe to specific colors can vary significantly across different parts of the world. For example, in Western cultures, white is often associated with purity, innocence, and new beginnings, making it a popular choice for wedding gowns. However, in many Eastern cultures, white is linked to mourning and is traditionally worn at funerals. Similarly, green, often associated with nature and growth in the West, can hold different meanings in other contexts. In some parts of Asia, green can be linked with infidelity or bad luck. These cultural nuances highlight the importance of considering context when interpreting color symbolism. What might be a positive and uplifting color in one culture could carry negative connotations in another. Being mindful of these differences is essential for effective communication and cross-cultural understanding. Section 8. Color Your World: Happy Practical Tips for Mood Enhancement. Let's explore practical ways to use color to enhance our mood and well-being. Surround yourself with calming blues and greens to reduce stress. Paint a wall in a soothing hue, add leafy green plants, or light a blue candle for tranquility. For energy, use vibrant colors like red, orange, and yellow. Add pops of color with throw pillows or artwork. Even small changes can make a big difference. Experiment and find what colors boost your mood. Section 9. The Productivity Palette: Choosing Colors for Focus and Success. Color can also be a powerful tool for enhancing productivity and focus. By understanding the psychological effects of different hues, you can create workspaces that promote concentration, creativity, and overall success. Blue, known for its calming and intellectually stimulating properties, is an excellent choice for workspaces where focus and mental clarity are paramount. Consider painting your home office walls a light blue or adding blue accents to your desk. Green, associated with nature, growth, and harmony, can also be beneficial for productivity. It promotes a sense of balance and tranquility, which can be especially helpful in reducing stress and mental fatigue. If you're looking to boost creativity and innovation, consider incorporating splashes of yellow or orange. These vibrant hues are known to stimulate the mind and encourage out-of-the-box thinking. Section 10. Color Me Inspired: Unleashing Creativity with the Right Hues. Color has long been recognized as a powerful tool for artists, designers, and creatives of all stripes. But you don't have to be a professional artist to harness the inspiring power of color. If you're feeling creatively blocked, consider surrounding yourself with hues that spark your imagination. Warm colors like red, orange, and yellow are known for their energy and dynamism, making them ideal for igniting passion and enthusiasm. Cool colors like blue, green, and purple, on the other hand, are associated with calmness, reflection, and introspection. They can be particularly helpful for fostering a sense of peace and encouraging deep thinking. Experiment with different color combinations to see what resonates with you. Create a mood board with inspiring images, fabrics, and objects in your chosen hues. Use these colors in your workspace, your clothing, or even your daily journaling to invite more creativity into your life. Section 11. A Colorful Future: Embracing the Power of Color in Our Lives. Color is a language we all speak, a universal force that shapes our emotions, behaviors, and perceptions. By understanding the principles of color psychology, we can decode its hidden messages and harness its power to enhance our lives. Whether you're looking to boost your mood, enhance your productivity, or unleash your creativity, the right colors can make all the difference. So, embrace the rainbow, experiment with different hues, and discover the transformative power of color in your own life. As we delve deeper into the fascinating world of color psychology, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities, a world where we can use color to create more vibrant, fulfilling, and meaningful experiences.